Have you ever wondered how a single broken window can potentially lead to a neighborhood's downfall? This intriguing idea is at the heart of the broken windows theory, a concept that emerged in 1982. The architects of this theory were no other than the esteemed social scientists James Q. Wilson and George L. Kelling. Wilson and Kelling proposed a unique perspective on maintaining public order, suggesting that a simple broken window, left unrepaired, could set off a chain reaction leading to an increase in the neighborhood's disorder, and eventually, crime. The metaphor of the broken window is a powerful image. Picture a neighborhood where a single window is cracked. If left unattended, it sends a message to everyone passing by that no one cares. Soon enough, another window is broken, then another, and before you know it, the neighborhood has spiraled into a state of disrepair and neglect. According to Wilson and Kelling, this visual neglect, this disorder, is an open invitation for crime to creep in and take root. Upon its introduction, the broken windows theory sparked a wave of interest in the field of criminology. Scholars, policymakers, law enforcement officers, they all started to look at communities and their issues through a new lens. They began to realize that preventing minor offenses like vandalism, public drinking, and fare evasion could potentially prevent more serious crimes from occurring. This new perspective was a game changer, shifting the focus from reactive to proactive policing. The theory was not without its critics, of course. Some argued that it oversimplified the complex issues of crime and urban decay. Others warned that it could lead to police overreach and discriminatory practices. Yet, despite these criticisms, the broken windows theory had already started to reshape the way we think about crime and community safety. Thus, the broken windows theory was born, forever changing the field of criminology and policing. And as we move forward, we'll explore how this theory has been applied, its impact, and the debates it has sparked. So stay tuned as we delve deeper into the fascinating world of the broken windows theory. So, how did this theory reshape our understanding of crime and policing? The broken windows theory has had a profound impact on policing and criminal justice, inciting a significant shift in focus from simply reacting to crime to proactively maintaining public order. In fact, the theory became a cornerstone in the development of community policing strategies. These strategies involve local law enforcement agencies working hand-in-hand with residents, businesses, and community organizations. The goal is to promote a safe, orderly environment, effectively discouraging criminal activities before they even occur. It's about fixing the broken windows before they shatter completely. The broken windows theory also championed a new approach in police practices. The theory suggested that by focusing on minor offenses like vandalism, public drunkenness, or fare evasion, police could create an atmosphere of lawfulness. This atmosphere in turn could prevent more serious crimes from taking root. After all, a well-tended garden does not invite pests. This approach was not without its critics, but it undeniably led to a re-evaluation of how crimes were prioritized. No longer were minor offenses overlooked in favor of more serious crimes. Instead, they were recognized as potential stepping stones to larger problems. Addressing these quality-of-life issues became an integral part of crime prevention. In the realm of criminal justice policies, the influence of the broken windows theory is equally apparent. The theory led to the adoption of zero-tolerance policies, which mandated strict punishment for minor offenses. The aim was to deter potential offenders and maintain public order. Now, it's important to note that the application of the broken windows theory is not a one-size-fits-all solution. It requires a nuanced understanding of community dynamics and a commitment to addressing the underlying issues that contribute to disorder. The theory's influence is undeniable, leading to a significant shift in policing strategies and criminal justice policies. And while it's not without its controversies, the broken windows theory continues to shape our understanding of crime, public safety, and the role of law enforcement within our communities. But has this theory truly made our neighborhoods safer? The broken windows theory, with its emphasis on maintaining order and nipping crime in the bud, has undoubtedly played a part in shaping public safety strategies. There are instances where the implementation of this theory has resulted in a tangible decrease in crime rates. For example, New York City in the 90s saw a significant drop in both minor and major crimes after adopting the theory into their policing strategies. But it's not all rosy. The theory has sparked a fair share of controversies. Critics argue that it may lead to over-policing, especially in neighborhoods that are already marginalized. The focus on minor offenses, they claim, can escalate into an unwarranted intrusion into the lives of law-abiding citizens. This overreach can breed mistrust between the community and law enforcement, which in turn can hamper the very goal of ensuring public safety. Another point of contention is the potential for discrimination. Some critics argue that the broken windows theory can be used to unfairly target certain communities based on socioeconomic status or race. For instance, a neighborhood with a lower average income might have more visible signs of disorder, not because of a higher propensity for crime, but due to a lack of resources for maintenance. In such cases, crime prevention efforts could inadvertently turn into a form of systemic discrimination. Despite these criticisms, proponents of the theory maintain that it serves as an effective tool for crime prevention when applied judiciously. They argue that by addressing minor offenses, law enforcement can create an environment that deters more serious crimes. The key, they say, is to strike a balance between maintaining order and respecting the rights of citizens. In the end, like any theory, the broken windows theory is not without its strengths and weaknesses. It's a tool in the toolbox of law enforcement, but it's not the only tool. The challenge lies in using it wisely and ethically to enhance public safety without infringing on individual rights and freedoms. While the broken windows theory has been hailed for reducing crime, it has also been criticized for potentially leading to discrimination and police overreach. How has the broken windows theory evolved over time? That's a question that leads us into an intriguing journey. As we delve into the evolution of this theory, we find that it has not only inspired shifts in policing strategies, but also stimulated an entire discourse on proactive crime prevention. From the outset, the broken windows theory promoted a proactive stance in law enforcement. Instead of responding to crime after it occurs, the theory encouraged police to prevent crime by maintaining order and addressing minor offenses. This approach has been adopted in various forms across the globe, reshaping the face of community policing. The broken windows theory's influence extends beyond proactive policing, reaching into the realm of criminological theories. It shares a close kinship with the rational choice theory, which posits that individuals commit crimes based on a calculated decision-making process. Both theories underscore the importance of environment in shaping behavior, suggesting that a well-maintained community can deter potential offenders. But the broken windows theory doesn't stop at crime prevention. It also concerns itself with the quality of life in communities. A neighborhood free from signs of disorder is not merely a deterrent for crime, it's also a more pleasant place to live, fostering a sense of pride among residents and enhancing community spirit. The theory's emphasis on improving living conditions reflects its broader aim to create safer, healthier communities. Today, the broken windows theory finds application in various facets of community life. From urban planning to social work, the theory's principles have been employed to tackle disorder and crime. Its influence can be seen in the way cities are designed, in community outreach programs, and even in strategies to address homelessness and addiction. The evolution of the broken windows theory has been marked by adaptations and reinterpretations, each adding a new dimension to its original concept. Its journey from a metaphorical window to a comprehensive strategy for crime prevention and community well-being is a testament to its enduring relevance. The broken windows theory has come a long way, sparking new strategies and discussions in the realm of crime prevention. So, what have we learned about the broken windows theory and its impact on society? The broken windows theory, first introduced in the early 1980s by social scientists James Q. Wilson and George Kelling, has been a significant catalyst in our understanding of crime and crime prevention. It's a simple yet powerful metaphor that when a window is broken and left unrepaired, people walking by will assume that no one cares, no one is in charge, leading to more windows being broken. This theory suggests that maintaining and monitoring urban environments in a well-ordered condition may halt further vandalism and escalation into more serious crime. It has had profound effects on policing and criminal justice policies, promoting a proactive approach, focusing on preventing crime before it happens rather than reacting to it. But like any theory, it's not without its criticisms. Concerns have been raised about potential police overreach and the potential for discrimination, mainly when the theory is applied without a comprehensive understanding of community dynamics. Yet this theory has also led to success stories. Cities like New York in the 90s saw a dramatic reduction in crime rates when they applied the principles of the broken windows theory. Of course, there are also instances where the application of the theory has not been as successful, proving that context and implementation are crucial. The broken windows theory has undeniably shaped modern policing strategies. It has moved the focus from reactive policing to a more holistic approach. considering factors like urban disorder and its effect on the quality of life in communities. It's not just about law enforcement, it's about community engagement, urban planning, and social services. In tying it all together, the broken windows theory and rational choice theory in criminology are closely related. Both theories underline the importance of environmental cues in influencing individuals' decision to commit a crime. The broken windows theory, as controversial as it may be, has undeniably left a lasting impact on the way we perceive and address crime in our communities.